Welcome all. I am Souhardya Bose. For today's DIY assignment 2, I have prepared a fire alarm system using Tinkercad. So this is the circuit corresponding to the fire alarm system that I have created. I have used the components in order to make the circuit. This is the Arduino Uno board. This is the LED light. This is a register. This is a piezo buzzer. This is a breadboard. This is a temperature sensor. So when the temperature increases, then the voltage across the temperature sensor also increases. This is a gas sensor which I have used, which detects the concentration of the gas and produces a potential difference based on the concentration of the gas in the atmosphere. So the cathode of the LED light has been connected to the ground terminal of the Arduino, and the anode has been connected to the digital pin 13 through a resistor. This is a piezo buzzer whose positive terminal has been connected to the digital pin 7 of the Arduino and the negative terminal has been grounded. I have set the 5 volt, which is the power, to the positive terminal of the breadboard and the negative terminal of it has been grounded. This is a temperature sensor whose power terminal has been connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard. This is the voltage output terminal which has been connected to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino, and this is the ground terminal which has been grounded. This is the gas sensor whose A1 terminal has been connected to the analog pin A1 of the Arduino, and this is the terminal 1 which has been connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard through a resistor, and the lower 3 pins has been connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard. So this completes the circuit of the fire alarm system. Let us move to the code which I have created in order to stimulate the circuit. At first, I have introduced a variable gas sensor which will record the concentration of the gas in the atmosphere, and if the concentration of the gas is greater than 100, then it will set the pin number 13 to high, and the LED light whose anode has been connected to the digital pin 13 of the Arduino Uno, so it will start glowing. Then it will wait for 2 seconds and then it will set the pin number 13 to low. I have introduced another variable temp which will record the temperature of the surroundings, and if the temperature is greater than 80 degrees Celsius, then it will play the speaker on pin number 7 with a tone 60 for 3 seconds, and this positive terminal of the piezo buzzer has been connected to the digital pin 7, so it starts ringing when the temperature of the surrounding is greater than 80 degrees Celsius. Then it will wait for 4 seconds. I have also used the serial monitor command in order to print the values of the gas concentration and the temperature of the surroundings. Let us first stimulate the circuit. So I click on start stimulation. As you can see, the gas sensor value is greater than 100. It is showing 102, so which is greater than 100, and hence the LED light starts glowing. Now if I decrease the concentration of the gas, then you can see the LED light stops glowing. The concentration is 85, which is less than 100, so it stops glowing. Now if I increase the temperature, now presently the temperature is showing to be 24 degrees Celsius, and if I increase the temperature little bit, then the piezo buzzer starts ringing. The temperature is 84 degrees Celsius. Now it is 111 degrees Celsius. It is greater than 80 degrees Celsius, and the piezo buzzer is glowing. And if I decrease the temperature, then the piezo buzzer stops glowing. So in this manner, the circuit will be stimulated. and this is the text corresponding to the circuit which I have used in order to create the circuit. Thank you all for watching this video.